Benvenuto to Italy, the land where every street is art, every meal is a celebration, and La Dolce Vita, the sweet life, is not just a saying, it's how they live. Whether it's a loud ciao from a stranger or a dramatic pasta debate, Italians don't just live, they perform. And here's the good news. You don't need a millionaire's budget, you just need the right plan. और उसके लिए हम हैं ना? Imagine this. Tossing a coin into the Trevi fountain under a golden sky, sipping Chianti in a quiet Tuscan vineyard, getting lost in Venice canals where buildings float on memories, and gazing up at the Sistine Chapel in Vatican City. Italy isn't just a destination, it's a living story. And the best chapters? Often the cheapest. Ready to dive deep into the La Dolce Vita without draining your wallet? Get lost in ancient Rome. Walk the Roman Forum, once the empire's heartbeat, with your Colosseum ticket. Then climb Palatine Hill for panoramic views over ruins that shaped the world. Florence की बात करें तो it's an open-air museum. Climb Piazzale Michelangelo for a dreamy, free panorama. Art and attitude go hand in hand. So, see Michelangelo's David at the Accademia. And for food, grab a panino at All Antico Vinaio. Line थोड़ी लंबी होगी, but it's worth every bite. और वेनिस के बारे में तो क्या ही कहें? Every street, every naka, every turn is a postcard. Skip the 80 euros gondola, take the Vaporetto along the Grand Canal for just 8 euros. Stumble upon hidden campus, art galleries and mask shops. सब काफी interesting है. Cross the Rialto Bridge as gondoliers sink below, and soak in the city built on water. And the Amalfi Coast, it's where the cliffs meet the sea in a romantic freefall, and the lemon trees perfume the air. Yes, there are Luke's beach clubs, but seek out Spiagge Libre. Pack your towel and enjoy the coastline old school. Also, eat like a local, not a tourist. Look for trattorias with handwritten menus and mama's recipes. Have a standing espresso at a bar. Join locals at aperitivo hour, that is 6 to 8 p.m. Buy a drink, get snacks free, visit markets like Romeo's Campo de Fiori or Florence's San Lorenzo for fresh, cheap eats. Some of the most powerful moments cost nothing. A quiet morning in a sunlit piazza, a gelato on the Spanish Steps, a spontaneous detour down a street and not on Google Maps. That's the real Italy. When should you go? Timing transforms your trip. Spring, that is April to June, mild weather, blooming flowers, fewer crowds. Winter, November to March, off-season steals, quiet cities and festive spirit. For the best mix of weather, vibe and prices, aim for mid-April or early October. Planning your trip? Let me tell you the essentials. First come, visa. Apply 2 to 3 months ahead via VFS or the Italian embassy, which will cost you around Rs 7,600 for visa and Rs 1,800 for VFS. The process usually takes around 15 to 30 days. Round-trip flights from Delhi or Mumbai to Rome costs around Rs 40,000 to 60,000 depending on the season. Italy has options for every budget. Hostels in Rome, Florence or Venice start at Rs 1,500 per night for a dorm bed. Budget hotels or Airbnbs cost Rs 3,000 to Rs 5,000 per night for a private room. If you want an authentic vibe, then stay in an agriturismo. It's a farm stay in Tuscany and costs around Rs 4,000 to Rs 6,000, often with breakfast included. Italy's train network is your best friend. High-speed trains like Trenitalia or Italo connect Rome, Florence and Venice. Book early for tickets for cheaper rates. Within cities, you can use buses or metros. I'll tell you a hack. Get a Trenitalia pass for rupees 10,000 for unlimited rides over 4 days. Avoid taxis, they are pricey. Currency and payments. Italy uses the euro. 1 euro is equal to rupees 90. Carry some cash for small vendors, but cards are widely accepted. Use a zero forex markup card to avoid exchange fees. UPI isn't that common, but ATMs are everywhere. Exchange USD at the airport for better rates. INR isn't widely accepted. Stay connected with a local SIM. At Rome's airport, grab a reputed company's SIM which gives around 20 GB data for around rupees 2,000, valid for 30 days. Just show your passport and it's activated in just 10 minutes. You can just use Wi-Fi at cafes and hotels to stretch your data. Don't skip travel insurance. The ABCD app travel insurance starts for as low as rupees 269. Download the app to know more. Let me tell you the budget breakdown. Here is a cost breakdown for your Italian adventure per person. Flights rupees 40,000 to rupees 60,000 round trip from India. Visa rupees 9,400 including VFS fees. Accommodation for 7 nights, hostel or Airbnb rupees 14,000 to rupees 30,000. Food 7 days mix of street food and restaurants rupees 15,000 to rupees 25,000. Transport, trains, buses and vaporettos rupees 10,000 to rupees 15,000. Sightseeing rupees 10,000 to rupees 15,000. Travel insurance at just rupees 269. Miscellaneous, SIM and souvenirs rupees 10,000. The total adds up to between rupees 1,10,000 to rupees 1,80,000 per person. Making it happen with SIP. Now that you are dreaming of Italy, let's turn that someday into today. When I planned my Italy trip, my wallet was like, "Bhai, sapna hi dekh le." But then I discovered the power of SIPs through the ABCD app. Here's how it works. Download the app, go to mutual funds and tap Find SIP amount for your goal. Enter your target, pick the number of years you want to plan this in, and app calculates your monthly investment. I started with rupees 4,000 a month, and in 2 years, I was sipping espresso in Rome. So what are you waiting for? Download the ABCD app today. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it ahead and subscribe to ABCD of Money for more such content. Download the ABCD app now to simplify your finances.